All right, here we go. We're going to try to implement our C++ version of this. Let's look at the tools real quick. So header for that. We have our items in here. Then tools CPP has the implementation of it. So we're all good to go. This is the same stuff we had before. So going into main, we include our header here, so then we can use everything that's within there. But we need a few more things. So we need to include string. We need to include IO stream. We need to include S stream for concatenation. And then we're going to need, actually, I might not need, I was going to say we need exception, but I don't think we have, are we ever using an exception in here? I think exception is in the tools. I don't think we need that. All right. Using, what am I doing? STD. Come on. String. Using STD. Sin, not con, sin. Using STD. Count. Using CSTD. End line. Whoops, why did it do that? Using STD O string stream. There we go. Okay. Now let's do our things. Bool running. Bool emova. Integer attempt. Integer digits. 3 of those. Done. Integer guess. Integer score. All right. So our first item that we are going to do is ask for guess. So integer ask for guess. Send in the attempt. Here, string stream, OSS. We'll do that. OSS is going to equal guess, number, and attempt. And then, let's see, then while true, we are going to go int guess equals get integer input, OSS, st string. Too many. All right. If guess is less than 0, we are, we probably don't need these. I think we just do single lines. Count, please guess a non-negative number. Whoops. Boom, 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 boom. End L. Else if guess is less than 100 or guess is greater than 999. Count, please guess a number between 100 and 99. Handle. Yeah, doesn't there we go. Otherwise, we are going to return guess, right? That's it. I think that's that function. Whoops, that closed. All right. So we have to pass back an array from make array from integer. So that is going to be completed like this, like a pointer. Make array from int val in. We're going to do whoops, get in there. Int return array, which looks just like our array up there of digits. Whoops, too many. Whoops, still too many. Oh, did I hit in? I say I hit insert instead of delete. Okay, ret array 0 equals the value in divided by 100. Ret array 1 is going to equal val in minus ret array 0 times 100 divided by 10. And then ret array 2 is going to equal val in minus ret array 0 times 100 minus ret array 1 times 10. And then we're going to return ret array. Okay. Make int from array. So integer make, that says mark. Make integer from array. We'll go array in, which will be a 3. We will then just return, let's see, 100, whoops, plus 10, plus, so array in 2, array in 1 times 10, and array in 0 times 100. All right. Done. What's it saying? Why is it underlined? What does that mean? Oh, it underlines them all. Okay. Where are we? Display game over and display rules. These are void display game over. Count. Oh well. That's 20 guesses. Handle. You know what? I think I'm going to add game over equals true here, because I'm going to add it anyway in the line. So why not just add it inside here? We know this is getting called when game is over. Count. My number was make integer from array the digits handle. We need another one. Handle. Oh. So in Ada, I did the digits, and so I put the digits in here for some reason. Smart. All right. Display rules. Void display rules. There's going to be, let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counts. Endel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll add new lines here. All right. Let me copy and paste this stuff. I will think of a 3-digit number. You will guess my number, and I will give you clues as follows. Pico, Fermi, and Bagels. You get 20 tries before you lose. Copy. Paste. Done. All right. Void create the digits. Bool got digit equals false. Digits 0 equals generate random number. Let's see. 1, 9. Whoops. 1, 9. False. And then while not got digit, digits 1 will equal generate random number 0 to 9 false. Got digit is going to equal digits 0 not equal to digits 1, right? Perfect. And then we'll say got digit equals false, and we'll do it for the last digit. Copy, paste, digits 2, and then digits 0 is not equal this, and oh wait, I'm dumb. That's 1, that's 2, that's 0, that's 2. Should have done it like that up here so that I would have done it right down there. 1 to 0. All right, there we go. Oh, that's not 0. All right, done. Check guess. Boolean, check guess. Pass in the guess. Let's do integer temp equals make array from integer. Pass in the guess. Integer vowels. Oops, it's going to be a 3. It's going to go 0, 0, 0. All right. So now let's do for integer d equals 0. D is less than 3. D plus plus. And then we'll say if temp d equals digits d, then vowels d equals 1, right? Okay. All right, so if make integer from array vowels, right? If that equals 1, 1, 1, we would just return true because I got it. Otherwise, let's do another loop. Integer d equals 0. D is less than 3. D plus plus. All right, let's think. If the vowels of D is 0, then we're going to do this. All right. Okay, so I'm going to have to use a switch, I think. I will switch on D. And if it's 0, then we say if, let's see, temp D equals digits 1 or temp D equals digits 2, then vals D equals 2. Break. Let's see. You know what? Let me think about this. I think it's going to be less work to just do this. I think it's going to be 3 lines to do this, right? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0 goes 1 and 2. 1 goes 0 and 2. And 2 goes 0 and 1. And then this is 2, 1, 0. That's much less code. You don't need a loop if I'm gonna break it down anyway, right? Dummy. All right. All right. What do I need to do next? I need to say if make int from array vals. Let's see if that's 0. We're going to count bagels because you didn't get anything right. Otherwise, get that over here, come down here. Otherwise, now we can use a loop for this. For integer D equals 0, D is less than 3, D plus plus. So now we just say if vals D equals 1, we will count Fermi with a space. Else if vals D equals 2, we will count Pico in a space. And then after that's all done, let's just do count end line. And that should be good for that. And then we need to return, just always return false. Return false. Okay, we got that. Oh, now we're into the main. Okay, so let's bring that guy back up. All right, let's see. First thing we need to do is say count, bagels, C, escape, C++, boom, 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 boom. Oops, let's put an endl there. All right, and then set our running to true. If asked to see the rules, then display the rules. Set our score to 0. Start our running loop while running. Set our attempt to 1. Create the digits. Count. Okay. I have a number in mind. Endl. Set game over to false. And then while not game over, do our middle loop there, our game loop. The guess is going to equal ask for guess, passing in the attempt. If check guess, count, you got it, endl, score, scout, score plus, and then game over should be set to false because you only get one time to get it right. I mean, only one run, right? So if you check the otherwise, what we want to do here is we need to increment the attempt. So tempt plus plus, and then check to see if there's too many. So if tempt is greater than, oops, let's do, I like it look like that, greater than 20, then we'll display game over, and I don't have to add game over is false here because I already did that while game over. So then we're going to say count this kind of game over. Game over, right? And then we're going to say running equals ask to play again. And then if that happens, then we come down here and we go count a score point bagels buff with an endle there. And then we count hope you had fun, BYE, bang, boom, boom. Whoops, 2 of those. Endle. Is that it? Did we do it? So we don't need, no, we're good. We didn't even put a guest up here. For some reason, I thought we put guest up here. I'm getting my languages messed up. I'm doing too many in one setting. Okay, let's see. Does this work? No. Lookup of D changed for new. What? What does that mean? Oh, got to be something like this. All right, what does this say? Name lookup of D changed for ISO for loop. What? For D is 0, D is 3, D plus plus, D, D, D. Oh. Stupid. Temp. Wait. Yes. 1 and 2. Okay. Boom. Tempt. Boom. Woohoo. You want to see the rules? Wow, we already know that that's going to work. So yes, I will think of a 3-digit number. You will try to guess my number. We know this is right, but pick a 1-digit correct. Fermi, right position. 20 tries, have a number of mine, 222. Bagels, 111. Bagels, 333. 444. 555. 666. Oh, all right. 777. 888. 687. 687. I got it. Whoa. Okay. What's going on here? Oh. Game over is true. Did what I do within here? Game over true. Okay, good. All right. Well, we got to try again then. Run. Want to see the rules? Yes. Okay. 111. 222. 333. 444. 555. 666. Oh, is it going to be the same number? 777. 888. Yeah, it is. 687. 687. You got it. Whoa. What is that? Oh. Good night. I want to see the rules. No. 111. 222. 333. 444. 555. 666. All right. Why is it always the same number? Where's our generate random? Is there a way to seed random? Or is it going off like the system time? Let's try 666. Oh, no. 666. Yeah, it's going to be 888. 888. Oh, that's good. Number between 100 and 999. I didn't. So whatever. So let's try this. 687. I got it. Want to play again? Yes. Have a number in mind. 687. Oh, okay, good. 666, 777, 888, 999, 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 581, 581. Game over. No, so there you go. You can see that. Yeah, I mean it's not a great game, but it works. There it is. I do wonder, however, I think I think it might not be right. And I think because I feel like, is this never doing a 9? Uh, let's see. Is there a way to find out if there's a reference? Oh no, that's something completely different. That's who's using it. Okay, so I'm gonna look this up real quick. I'll be right back. Yep. So I just looked it up. It is exclusive. So we need to put the number 10 here. And the number 10 here. And then we'll get 9s. So let's just try to see if we get a 9 this time. No. 999. Well, 888. Oh, 777. It's not that same one we always had. So it is what? It is 2, 7, 3, 4. All right. No. All right. I didn't get a 9, but I believe this is believe this is right. This is correct. It would be 10, so it's going to be 0 to 9 plus 1, which would end up making it oh no. That could become a 10, right? 0 to 9. This would be 0 to 9. Yeah, so this one definitely needs to stay there. Yeah, because it's going to go 0 to 9 and then it's going to add 1. So if I was going to do 0 to 8 and then I'll add 1, it'll be 9. Yeah, that's good. And then this one will be 0 to 9 and it's not going to add any. So that's perfect. All right. And then this has to be 0 to 10. Whoops, what am I doing? All right. We'll run it one last time. Since I made a change, just make sure I didn't break anything. All right. So do you want to see the rules? No. Have a number in mind. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. And then it's not a 9, but we know what it is already. 111, 111, 111. Let's get it. Let's make sure it ends at 20. You test that. Well, that was 20 guesses. Okay. Yes, we've done yes. So do no. 0 point bagels buff. Hope you had fun. All right. That is bagels in C++. Thank you.